Well, hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't. We are gonna talk about the Kizer Drop Bear today. After months of use, I can tell you that this knife is more than worth its value. Like I say, I got this a few months ago, 4 months ago. After I first got it, my first impressions were that it was really good. That it had really good ergos, and the blade, the grind was super slicey. And after all this time, I can only tell you that it's gotten better. Look at the patina on the Makara. It looks awesome. Deep carry pocket, 154 cm steel, which as a few years ago, Benchmade was charging over $200 for a knife with this steel. Clutch lock, which is very super fidgety. Just want to play with this all day. Reversible pocket clip. Tip up carry only. Oh, by the way, meet Bear and his fish. Dare I say, it's another Bugout killer at half the price of a Bugout. It's not as thin, but it's almost as light as the Bugout, and super useful. It's very well built. It's tougher than the Bugout for sure, and I like the chunkiness of the handle. It doesn't dig in anywhere. It doesn't flex at all. The blade has performed excellently. I know that people prefer the Militol now because it's a new design. It's a pretty cool design, but it's still a liner lock, and I dig the clutch lock much more. In fact, I swore that the last liner lock I would get would be the Ontario knife Rat 1.5 with Magna Cut, and I'm gonna stay true to my word. That's the last liner lock I'm gonna get in at least years. Look at the jimping on the spine. Very useful for draw cuts. It's just a hard worker, and it's one of my favorite knives ever. So if you're doubting what to get next, or if it's even worth it, I'm telling you, it is. It's around $80 right now. 82 most of the places. But it's definitely worth it. The steel, the micarta, the construction, the fit and finish, the clutch lock, the Omega springs are set just right. It comes with a pair of extra Omega springs, which I can't find. But yeah, it's just amazing. So yeah, that's the video. So please like and subscribe if you haven't. It helps the channel grow. It's a small channel, but I want to grow it with you, with your support. So please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.